Rise of online social media jobs. In today's digital age, the concept of work from anywhere has become increasingly popular. With the rise of online platforms and the advent of social media, individuals now have the opportunity to pursue online social media jobs from the comfort of their own homes, or any location of their choosing. This article will explore the world of online social media jobs for beginners, discussing the benefits, types of jobs available, and tips for success in this industry. One of the primary advantages of online social media jobs is the flexibility they offer. Unlike traditional office jobs, which require commuting and adhering to strict schedules, online social media jobs allow individuals to work from anywhere and at any time that suits them. There are various types of online social media jobs available for beginners. One popular option is becoming a social media manager. In this role, individuals are responsible for managing and growing the online presence of businesses or individuals on platforms such as Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and LinkedIn. This typically involves creating engaging content, interacting with followers, and analyzing metrics to identify areas for improvement. Another option is becoming a social media content creator. Individuals in this role are responsible for creating and curating content for various social media platforms. This could include writing blog posts, creating videos, designing graphics, or taking photographs. Social media content creators often work as freelancers, allowing them to work on multiple projects simultaneously and have more control over their workload. Additionally, online social media jobs may also involve becoming an influencer or affiliate marketer. Influencers are individuals who have a significant following on social media platforms and are able to promote products or services to their audience. Affiliate marketers, on the other hand, earn commission by promoting and selling products on behalf of companies. Both of these roles require individuals to have a strong online presence and the ability to engage and persuade their audience. For beginners looking to enter the world of online social media jobs, there are several tips for success. This involves establishing an online presence on social media platforms and showcasing your skills and expertise in a particular niche. Secondly, it is crucial to continuously learn and stay updated on the latest trends and best practices in social media marketing. The online landscape is constantly evolving, and it is important to adapt and stay ahead of the competition. Taking courses, attending webinars, and following industry experts can help you stay informed and improve your skills. Lastly, networking is key in the world of online social media jobs. Building relationships with other professionals in the industry can lead to job opportunities, collaborations, and valuable insights. Joining online communities, attending conferences, and actively engaging with others on social media can help you expand your network and open doors for future success. In conclusion, online social media jobs offer beginners the opportunity to work from anywhere and pursue a career in a rapidly growing industry. With the flexibility, variety of job options, and potential for success, it is no wonder that more and more individuals are turning to online social media jobs as a viable career choice. By building a strong personal brand, continuously learning, and networking with others, beginners can position themselves for a successful and fulfilling career in the world of online social media.